Hello, if you downloaded ASL Modus and want to know how it works, continue watching this video. First, open Modus. Modus is a note manager. You can create both folders and documents. Let's create a folder. To do this, right-click on the background, New, Folder. Let's give it a simple name, like Folder 1. You can also create a document. Right-click, New, Document. When you open the document, text mode will already be enabled. I'm going to write a few lines of text so we can see the editor's features. You can format the text in several ways. For example, bold, underlined, or italic. We can also change the size of the text or change its color. Another feature is that we can add media. In this example, I'm going to add a GIF image. Now click on the button to switch between editor mode and view mode. Here we can see the GIF we added and an animated form. We added an image, but it is also possible to add audio or videos, which will appear in their own player format. Now let's go back. Let's save it. There you go, the file has been created, and as we can see, the file is associated with Modus. To associate DUS files with Modus, just click on Tools, Associate DUS, then Confirm. Now DUS files will be associated with Modus. Modus also has basic file explorer functions, such as copying and pasting, keeping the content and media files associated. We can also add folders to favorites. This way, your favorite folders will always be visible in the Favorites section, making it easier to access them. I hope you enjoyed it, like it, and share it with anyone you think would like it.